Hello everyone, I am Madujith on behalf of Madujith Academy. I think you can remember in my previous video I taught you the way of preparing a longitudinal section using a point file generated with the total station survey. This is the second part of that video. Here I will teach you the way of preparing a cross-section set using that previously used Civil 3D model. This is the previously stopped part of my Civil 3D model. Now I am going to teach you the way of preparing the cross sections along this center line drawing. Then we will go to today's session. For that, first of all, I have to prepare assembly. Assembly is the thing we use to build our corridor. Corridor will be the normal profile. You can name it as the visual part of your highway. That is the profile. I will go to the assembly. Then I will go to the create assembly. Now I will make this as Madujith assembly. I will make this okay. Then I have to go somewhere and I have to click. You can see this is my assembly. You can identify this to be the center median line. If this is center median, this is left hand side. This is the right hand side of your road. Then you have to build your objects in the corridor. How to do that? Go to this one. This is called tool palettes. Click on it. It will direct you to the tool palettes of your Civil 3D software. Then you can see this is assembly, this is a basic, and these are lanes, shoulders, medians. So many things are available. I will go to this basic. Then I will select this basic lane. After selecting, it will guide you to the basic lane properties. You can see the width is 3.6 meter. Think that I need the lane width of 4 meter. How to build that? I have to alter this to be 4 meter. Now that is in 4 meter. Depth is 0.2. Slope is 2%. You can do anything you like. This is right. I will select the right. Then I have to click my pick box on the center median line. Just click it. You can see this is your normal lane. Then what to be done? This is right hand side. Go to the left hand side. That is also 4. Same depth, same slope. Make it click. Now you can see this is the normal carriageway of your alignment. It means you can allow your vehicles pass on this entity. Then what to do? Then you have to draw your shoulders. How to do that? I will close this one. Then go to the shoulders. It would be here. In the shoulder tab, you can see so many shoulders are available. I will just select this shoulder thing. Okay. Then it will show you the properties of your shoulder. If you don't like this, you can just alter, no matter. I will pick it here. Then I will go there. Then I will click on this edge. You can see this is my road shoulder. If you think that this is too wide, what to do? You have to alter the width of the shoulder. You can do it here. Here 2.4. You can alter this one. Now I will make it as it is. Now these are my shoulders. Then what to do? Then you have to identify the slopes. It would be the cut slope or fill slope. It means when there is some sort of a hilly area, you need to identify the cut. When there is some sort of a cliffy area, you need to identify the fill. For that, you need to identify the cut and fill slopes. For that, again go to the basic, scroll it down. You can see basic slide slope cut dish. Click on it. Then you have to select it in this point. Now you can see this is some sort of a cut slope, fill slope. You can assign it to the next edge also. Now that is basically over. Then we have to assign this corridor in our profile. How to do that? For that, we don't need this tool palette icons. I will close it. Then I will go to the corridor. Here you can see I will name this as Madujith corridor. Okay. Then my profile would be the existing surface. Here I have to select the assembly. For that, drop this down and select the prepared assembly. Then I have to select the target surface. It would be the existing surface. Then make it OK. that is here, apply. then rebuild the corridor, and there can be so many errors. That is natural. The reason is we did not adhere to the design criteria. We did not adhere to the practical situation. Because of that, we will end up with so many errors. But since this is only a learning purpose demonstration, I will ignore these errors. Then I will apply this. Then I will make this okay. Then I will close this. Now you can see this is the corridor of my highway. Then how to generate the cross sections? That would be the next thing. Now we have prepared the corridor. Then it's a matter of preparing the cross sections. Then I will bring you to that aspect also. For that, I have to go to the sample line command. I will click on it, but if you just click on it, it will not select anything. You have to press enter. Now it will select your sample line. Is a select alignment. I have to select my alignment. You can have so many alignments. I will select my existing profile. I will make it okay. Then this is okay. Then I have to make that okay also. Then I have to go to the station ranging. I will go to the by range of station command. Then that is here. It is a thing like that. It says us what is the cross section interval. I like to have cross sections in intervals of 10 meters along the tangents. Then I will type as 10. Then I like to have cross sections in the curved and spiral areas with 5 meter interval. Then I will type as 5. No matter. That is fine. I will make this okay. Then my job is over. Then I will close it. It will give me so many warnings. You know the reason. I will just ignore it. Then what to be done? Then I need to go to the section views. Then I will make the create multiple views. That is fine. If you like, you can go to the next and you can find what are the things available. Actually, you need to do. Since this is only a demonstration, I will ignore these steps. Then I will create the cross-sectional views. Now that is fine. Just like LS, I have to go to some place. Then I have to click. Now you can see these are the sections along my corridor. That is very beautiful. Then you can directly use these things in your presentations also. And that was the thing I wanted to present. I wanted to share with you. Now you know the way of preparing a longitudinal section using Civil 3D, and also you know the way of preparing the cross-section set using Civil 3D. Then I will upload many Civil 3D related tutorials in the future. If you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, I welcome you to subscribe to my channel, and I invite you to share these contents among your engineering community to make them aware and on behalf of the growth of my channel. Then I will meet with you with another video as soon as possible. I am Madujith Sagara on behalf of Madujith Academy.